Okay, so these are our workbook pages we're going to do for today. We are going to practice making all of the punctuation we just talked about. We're going to be making a period, a question mark, and exclamation point. Okay, so first we're going to do the period, and it's important for you guys to know that it is just a little dot. I know a lot of times at the end of your sentences, you guys want to draw a circle like this, but that is not what we want to do. We just want to make a little dot. Okay, so that is how you make a period. You guys already know that. The question mark is a little bit more challenging. We are going to start up close to the sky, and we are going to pull up and around, and you got to go back in a little bit once you get to the fence, and then you can put that dot on the bottom. I know that one doesn't look great. It's a little bit tricky when you're trying to do it with a mouse. So we are going to come in and back around, and then you put that little dot right at the bottom of it. That is the question mark. And they give you some start dots here, so you can try some over here on your own. Okay, so do some periods and some question marks, and this is our exclamation point. Remember, we use this when we're excited or when we're yelling about something, and that you start in the sky. It's just a straight line down just past the fence. Don't go all the way to the ground, and then there is a dot right next to the ground. Okay, so you're going to pull down, and then you'll just put a little dot at the bottom. That is your excitement mark or your exclamation point. Okay, and then try a few of those ones on your own. All right, so that is the first workbook page we're going to do. The next workbook page, here we go. The next workbook page is this one right here. It's called, we're going to be reading these sentences and we're going to be putting the proper punctuation at the end. So I have here a question mark, a period, and an exclamation point. And we're going to read through each one of these sentences, and we're going to have to try to decide which punctuation goes at the end of each sentence. Okay, so let's do some of these together. We'll read it together. Can Stan help us? Can Stan help us? Does that sound like I'm asking a question, or am I telling you something, or is that being said with excitement? So I'm going to read again. Can Stan help us? I think it's a question because I could answer that. I could say, yes, Stan can help us, or no, Stan can't help. So I am going to put a question mark. Sorry, it's not a very good question mark. Okay, at the end of that one. This one says, stop the bus. If I wanted a bus to stop, would I be yelling that? Would I want to be excited about that? I think so. So I would say, stop the bus. So I would need to have an exclamation point at the end of that one. Okay, let's do the next one. Did Jim get a bag of chips? Did Jim get a bag of chips? Can I answer that? I can answer that. I could say, yes, he did get a bag of chips, or no, he didn't get a bag of chips. So that is a question, and I need a question mark at the end. Okay. Tom sang a song. Am I asking a question? No, I can't answer that. Am I saying that with excitement or yelling? Nah, I don't think I need to. I'm just saying Tom sang a song, so I need a period at the end of that one. Where are the kids? Is that something that we can answer? I could answer that. So if someone asked me, where are the kids? I might say, oh, they're on the playground playing. So that is a question, and I need a question mark at the end. This here says, help. Am I just going to say help? No, it's not a question. If I were a question, I'd say help. No, I think when I'm saying help, I'm pretty excited or I'm shouting. So I might say help. So I need an exclamation point. Okay, and the last one, a dog is a fun pet, right? It's just telling us something. It's just telling us that the dog is a fun pet. It's not asking a question. We don't need to shout that. We're just saying that a dog is a fun pet. So we are going to put a period at the end. Okay, so that is how we did that page. I did all of those with you so you could get used to using the punctuation at the end of the sentences. Okay. We are going to be doing this one. With this page, we need to match the lowercase letter with an uppercase letter. So I have a lowercase w here, so then I would need to put an uppercase W next to it. So you'll be doing that for all of the letters, putting the uppercase letter with the lowercase letter. And on this page, I want you to do this one on your own. I did the first one with you. We did it all together. This one I want you to try on your own. You're going to need to put the appropriate punctuation at the end of each sentence. And we're not doing that. And we are not doing that. Oops, hold on. I think I missed a page because I wanted you to do, oh, let's do answer the questions about Spot's bath. Okay, so you guys read that yesterday. You can reread it today for fluency, and then you can answer these questions about Spot's bath. All right, I hope that wasn't too all over the place for you. I know there's a lot today, but really focus on that punctuation.